Hello and welcome to another video. This is another day to explore and know Qatar. And at the moment, we are in Qatar National Museum, and yeah, it's empty as you can see. Nothing, nothing. No one is here. It was only me and my cousin, and one more. We are then as we moved on, we found another lady. She was a tourist, and the reason as to why it's like empty, it because there were safety alerts. And if you watched my previous videos, you realize that the moment I went to Qatar, it was like a bad timings. It's when Iran started their attacks. So because of the safety, the government stopped all operation in the National Museum. We were free to move because people were moving around, but you could not go inside. Like there was no access inside the Qatar Museum itself. Outside, it was open. The securities were there, but they were not stopping people. You could explore, see the design, the architecture. I must say, it's amazing. Whoever drew this, whoever came with this idea, and the people who actualized it on the ground. This is just amazing. You can see the architecture, like the designs. Whoever came up with the idea and whoever worked on it, this is amazing. It's so big. It took us almost 30 to 45 minutes to walk around. That is outside. It's located next to the beach. I don't know the actual name, but I used metro to come here, and the name of the metro station that is next is Qatar National Museum. So it's easily accessible, very very easily accessible. Because from where I was staying, I think we went to two metro stations. Then we went to another metro station. I think it's called Musharraf. It's an interchange, so we changed the metro and we took the it's on yellow line or gold line to National Museum. So we took some times. It was like literally by the time we got there, it was only two of us, but there's another lady who joined us. She's a vlogger as well. She came as a tourist. She was supposed to be here for 2 days as well, but I guess she's been here forever. So it was quick because nothing. It was only the outside. I enjoyed the views, but I was curious to see inside. I wanted to compare and see because I went to the Museum of the Future in Oman. I wanted to do some comparison and like see the differences. And yeah, unfortunately, I was unable to do that. And that was the end of the tour. It was only three of us. It was like a private tour, and my photographer was there. Yeah, so I'll post some pictures. You see how it was. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.